Ganda ng Mayon. First time ko Mayon. Wow.
I know I want you, but you don't need me. And I know it ain't easy thinking about what you would do. But now I'm gone, my head's in a spin again, and my heart won't let me begin to see I've got nothing to win.
Hindi pa ako makapasok kay Kuya Rat. Hindi pa ako makakapunta dito. Sa wakas, nakapunta na din ako.
My words, they mean nothing.